Hello everyone, I'm Mike Marta and I'll be helping you to get started in your journey in trading. So you have got through the steps that we gave you when you started, and now the most important part, you have to set your expectation. Like you will not get into this and start expecting the first days that I have to get into, I'll be making 10x or 100x or those unrealistic returns. You have to know this is a business and you will be learning how to make consistently money from it as a business. And how you look at it, it's not on a daily basis, it's not on a weekly basis, it's not on a monthly basis even. And someone will tell me, what? On a monthly as well? Yes, on a monthly, because you have to know that we do have and we got through a day it was lost. And it's very normal that you get into a trade and you will lose it because the system have 75 to 85% success rate. It's not like this unicorn system. No, there's not nothing like that. There's a system, there's a success rate, you will be winning at the end, but the most important part, the long term vision. Because maybe in the months of the years, we got a bad month and last year, I'll be talking about it. We got into a month minus 3%, which is if I got into minus 3%, this is the end of the game. The trading thing is it doesn't work. This is a scam. Or if I trust the system, I trust my skills and continue with the steps, and after it, we had some months with 11%, with 16%, with 8, with 5, with 1, with minus 1, with plus 8. It's not like something fixed. You have to understand this very, very well. And the most important part, from now, you have two ways, which is you only want the copy trading part, and you can go through it and you'll be learning how to copy paste, or you want to copy paste and the most important part, which is learn and earn at the same time. So you will be going to the alpha website, you can check the results, not the results, sorry, the trainings, the beginner and the advanced part, so you can watch them and get benefit from it and continue with what will help you here. So the most important part, you'll be starting practicing, and I want you to know that we have three systems, okay? And it's different because we do have the scalp, the swing, and the intraday. So it's very important that you take into consideration to go into the scalp sessions, which is it's 5:30 p.m. Dubai time, the weekly overview for the swings, and at the same time the Discord for the intraday. So have a nice day. You will be getting a lot of information in this session. Make sure to be writing, taking notes, and directly taking action in order to get what we said. So, hello, Edgar.
Thank you, Mark, for this amazing introduction. Actually, the part of education is very important because we are here to support you in your steps from this code, from live session. The main part is in the game is to learn. Therefore, like 6, 9 months, 1 year, will be like getting your skills better and better. So once we go with all those steps to guide you to take your first trade, how to take your trade from Discord, how to do scalping with the depths of market and everything. So as a start, we have to open a demo account. So
Exactly.
we'll go.
And I just want to say one thing, sorry, Edgar, for interrupting, which is the every person who isn't with the community, who is like watching it from behind the scene, let's say, if you want to get to know the results of the community and everything you are doing, make sure to click on the link in the description. You will get into a private Discord where you can see the results of the community. And it's very important to see these things in front of you, and after it, you can take action, contact the person who sent you this video, or on the support on Discord. Yes, it is, sir.
Yes, thank you, Mark. So as a start, you have to download MetaTrader 5. For Mac users, make sure to go directly to metatrader5.com and download it from the website because you'll get the tablet version if you download it from the store. So we go first into Discord. I'll be sharing my screen. Can you give me your screen, please?
It was muted. It's for you.
Thank you. So as a start, we'll go into Discord. And what Mike mentioned earlier about the success film, this is a success film of some of our members' results. We go directly into brokers and top film. Up, you'll see two links, one for equity, one for Tickmill. You have like partnership with those two brokers that you have. We open like the one of Tickmill here. And this is the website. We go directly to demo account. Okay, so we start for your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, platform MetaTrader 5, account type classic, professional, it's leverage 100, you can, virtual deposit, you can do it like smallest funded account, which is 10K, account currency USD. Make sure to check those two in blue and open a demo account. Once the account is opened, we go directly into your email, your inbox. You'll get an email with the account number and the password. Make sure to take not the investor password, the account password. Therefore, you downloaded MetaTrader 5. You have the account and everything else. Now we have to open the account. So we go to File, open an account. Make sure to check the server above the page. If it's Tickmill Ltd or Tickmill Europe. So for me, it's Tickmill Ltd. I put Tickmill. Sorry. Find your company. For me, it's just Tickmill Ltd. Then next. Then connect with an existing trade account. You put your login number and the password. Make sure to check the server also. Then finish. Once it's open the account here, a trade will appear with the account balance, which is I made $10,000. Now let's focus how we can put the pairs and take them. So if like a pair doesn't appear, like let's say for JPP, JPY, okay, we click on it and then enter, it appears directly. So, and then we can put chart window, and if you can see here, it opened. Now we have to arrange the template for like being easy to work on MetaTrader 5. We go directly into properties, and then we can put black or no, sorry, white, color on white, and bar up, we do it for black, bar down, black, bull candle, line, bear candle, red, and this is not line. And we can do an OK. Make sure to remove the grid and remove the volume from down. Okay, make sure to click on this to can move the screen and have like more efficient for you. But we have to save this template so we can not do it again and again and again. So we go into templates. I already saved template. You can put it like white and say, okay, why did I do that? Because if you open another pair, like let's say the US30 chart window, it become directly like this. So go to templates and directly it will take. About the time frames, you can go with right click on time frames. You can have like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 for scalping use 5 minutes. For the studies on Discord, I can show you where you can find the time frame. I put it here also. And for people who have like wider screen than I do, the time frame could appear like at the bottom, sorry, at the upper right. So this is about setting MetaTrader 5 now. MetaTrader 5 now we have to enable one-click trading. Go to tools, option, trade, one-click trading. You click on it, and then you accept. Then OK, then OK. Why I did that? Because we have to take trade directly for one-click trading. So I'll give you an example. Let's say I went for the buy now. If you can see the position is open. This is the position. I made the profit by pips. Profit, not as money as pips. So it's way better for you. Then I can do modification in two ways. Either I can drag a stop loss down and put it like this because it's a buy opportunity. So stop loss is below the entry, and Take profit is above the entry, like this. Now we have, it's just an example. We'll get the numbers later on from an example. We'll do it from Discord. So, and I will close it right now. So now I will go to give an example for a study on Discord. We made it this morning on gold. So we go into gold alerts. Okay. So this is the study sent. If you can see here, gold spot US dollar 1 hour. That's how I mentioned earlier how you can get the time frame 1 hour. Sell opportunity, the entry, the stop loss with the number of the pips. We know how to calculate our risk management and the lot size we use. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. First, we put alerts. Why you put alerts? You can take it directly if you want on MetaTrader 5, but throughout your day you'll get like busy, and I just don't want you to miss a trade. So you can put alerts on TradingView that can help you throughout your day, give you a notification like before 10 to 15 pips that you are near our entry. You can like get ready for a buy or for a sell. So this is the study sent. This is the entry 43. Yes, 43. Okay. So if you go to 1 hour time frame, now the market has moved. If you go to 1 hour time frame, okay. To be straightforward about, in the morning we didn't have all those candles, so the study wasn't activated. I just want you to focus on the way we can put alerts and everything. So don't consider those like 3, 4, 5 candles one. Now we put short position for a sell, as we mentioned, entry 43, stop loss, go onto the study, stop loss 48 and TP1 38, 48, okay, and TP1 38. Can do it like this. So once this study is sent, we put the resistance, the support, and everything. We put our position, and we can put here add alert. Why? What do I mean by putting an alert? So those candles weren't here. So directly, when the price went down to this area, it will give you a notification on your phone or your laptop. You can adjust the notification sound to get ready before. You can see like this. To get ready for the sell, before it reach here the entry, like around 10 to 15 pips, okay, as a start. So that's the first step. The second step we do is to calculate our lot size. If you can see here, the stop loss is 50 pips. So we have an account of $10,000. We do directly. We go into the trading view once again. If you can see, we add a simple lot size calculator called an indicator called simple lot size calculator. Simple. If you can see it here, just put a star so we can get it. And double click on the screen. You'll see the indicator down. So I've already put it like everything here. Now I want to change it. We put an account of 10K. Risk, as mentioned here, the trader is not 1%, it's 0.5%. And we have a stop loss of 50 pips. Click OK, and the lot size appears here, 0.1. So now we have our stop loss, our lot size, sorry, we have our entry and everything. We just wait for the activation. We don't take any trade without saying it's activated. As you can see here, sell activated. Sell activated means the trader have 90% confirmation that he will take this trade, and he took it on his personal account, as you can see here, and trade is active. Now directly we go into the MetaTrader 5, and this trade was on gold, short window. We do the templates and everything just for one time. Okay, and this is a time frame of 1 hour, as you can see. Now, this was our entry. in here, 43. If you can see, this was our entry. And, okay. Now, we have our lot size, which is 0.1. Now, I'll give it an example. It's not just exact number, just an example for you to know, and I'll go for a sell now. Now, I went for a sell. If you can see here the sell scenario. Now, we'll go to adjust, take profit, and stop loss. You can do it in two ways. Either just manually and put the stop loss on 48 as you can see on the study, and take profit one on 38. The take profit, it's adjustable. I'll give you the three ways that you can use it for securing your trade. This is 38. Just I'm saying this is an example, not exact number, okay? Or you can do it here. Just modify position. You can see stop loss and take profit. Let's put the stop loss for now. Okay. And if you can see it, look at directly. About how we can secure trade. So as a start, I recommend for you to go as one-to-one. If your stop loss is 50 pips, make sure to take your TP1, which is always 50 pips. It differs from the study, just one-to-one. You can secure, if a trader say secure your trade at 20 pips, you have three ways. Either you close half of your position, you put your stop loss at minus 20 pips because you like close 20 pips of your trade in profit. That's one. Two, either you put directly your stop loss at entry and leave it to the full take profit one. It's the second way. Or third way, which is leave it. Either stop loss, either take profit. It depends on your trading style. If it's less risky, more risky, it depends on your trading style. You will discover it throughout the way. As a recommendation, you have to do it to figure out what it's best for you. So I'll give you an example how we can secure the trade. So let's say now we have here like 4 pips. Let's give it like 1 minute. If it goes down, it's in use, I think now on 3. I'm sorry. Yes, it's in use. So we go into modify or delete, market execution. As you can see here, the lot size is 0.1 down here. Now we have to close half position. 0.1, half of it is 0.05. We have like, come on, give us like 10 pips more to secure it in a better way. Just, okay, let's say here on 4 pips. I closed half position. Now, if you can see here, the lot left is 0.05. We go into history on the last one, we did it now. You can see XAU sell 0.05 out of 0.1 are in profit, which is $1. Now, let's see we secured at 20 pips. You drag your stop loss, and you see like on the left points here, 200, like 200, which is 20 pips. Okay, now we secured our trade, and it's a risky-free trade. I'm giving an example just to let you know if it's 20 pips in profit, we can do it right now. It's a market. But I'm assuming it's 20 pips profit and we secured half. How we can put our stop loss on 20 pips? And we can put our take profit. So we can go directly. If the trader say as a start, secure at 20 pips, you can either, as I told you, put stop loss at entry or close half and put stop loss at minus 20 or leave it just stop loss and take profit one. So if you secured and you put it your like let's say your stop loss and everything else, it went to TP1. It went to TP1 and you can go directly and close half on TP1. Then you can leave the trade until TP2. You can close another half until TP3. You can still close half and leave runners. Make sure you can close the bigger part on TP1 because you are focusing more on one-to-one trades, and you can leave small runners until it gets further more to other TPs. So if you have anything
Exactly,
in mind,
exactly, Edgar. Actually, I want to be very strict in something which is at the first time in your first beginners months and where you are beginning, don't go with like I want it before or to be two or X or Y. go with one to one. Like you have a stop loss of 40 pips, put your take profit on 40 pips, and just leave it. And if the trader told you like secure 20 pips, okay, and you are like, for example, you are on 20 pips on profit, and that the trader have told you to secure it, you can even close half, like Edgar said, put a stop loss on 20 minus 20 pips, so it's a risk free, or go with putting the stop loss on entry, or you can leave it just for take profit or stop loss. For the first beginning, don't go with like TP2, TP3, just focus one to one and make it easier for you. I have been in this 3 years. For the moment, I put it one to one. I don't want to like bother myself, to be honest. It's up to you, by the way. So
It's your style,
coming
for
here,
example.
what Edgar?
It's a style of a trader. You can pick it yourself.
Exactly, exactly. Every trader have its own style. Coming to here, I want to explain a very important thing, which is about the intraday, the swing, and the scalp. Which is Edgar have told you how you can take a trade on the Discord, which is it's a swing or intraday. Okay, but the most important part in swing or intraday, you have time to put stop loss, and this is like the market is not like fast. Okay, you have time, but in Scalp, it's different here because it's very fast, and you can put like, where's the stop loss? Okay, where? Okay, it's not like that. So I want to get to US 30. Okay, it's on minute 5. Okay, so each candle is on is 5 minutes. Okay, represent 5 minutes actually, and we'll go to the depths of market, not the one that Edgar was doing. It's not that,
This one
the
here.
other. Yeah, depths of market.
Okay, let me drag it on the screen. I have two screens, that's why.
Okay, so if anything was here like leave it a little. So if those are like on, just click them so they can be off, okay, and make it like small so you can check it very fast. And the most important part in your 30, I want you to know that 20 pips is 2000, which is it's a very important rule of risk management, which is we have two very important rules. No one have lost his account without two things, which is over trading or over risking. So you have to know those rules are very forbidden for you to do, like overtrade or over leverage. You have always to use risk management, which is 1%, which with each trade, and 1 to 2 trades a day as a max. So to know what's your 1% in scalp, it's very easy on swing. Like you have time, you will know the lot before getting into the trade, but in scalp, it's different. It's fast. So here you will put your 1% as 20 pips. And directly when you put like sell or buy, you will be having directly a stop loss with it. So let's try a buy here. So directly as you see here, you have a stop loss for it. So if the market have reversed in your beginning, you will say, no, it will wait up. And I wanted to master the scalp. It will take you 2 months on demo. Don't ever go on live before 2 months on demo for the scalp. And it will take you 6 months to master. This is very important because the Zoom, where we got like 3,000 people on it, there's a 2 to 3 seconds delay. So I want you to master this, okay, to be trading yourself. Okay, so you will be learning the skills and everything. I'm just here to give you some tips and how you can do the depth of market so you can leverage it up. Okay, so Edgar, can you move now to your phone so I can tell them a little fast about something else? It's not something else, but it's about like how to go into mastering your emotion. Guys, you have to understand very important word that emotions is very important. And many people that say like he got greedy or he got he fear. Why? Actually, he didn't trust his system because I do trust systems in businesses. In trading, it's a business, so there's systems. Trust the system and go with it. And the most important part. Don't say, oh, it takes like 1 month or 2 months to make money. I will not get the Lambo. No, you will not get the Lambo. That's why people got into this profession and say it's a scam. You- because they want and they expect to make fast money and fast return and unrealistic return in what they are got through. So from here, I will go to Edgar. He will show us on phone fast. So how you can do the trades, how you can take it fast. Like many of us don't stay on laptop or didn't have his laptop. I do take trades from the intraday and swing on my phone. So learn it from him. Okay, it will be very valuable for you.
Yes,
You are
Mike.
with
So
us?
now we'll continue on the phone throughout your day. If you don't have your laptop available for you all the time, you can go do it on the phone, the intraday part. Make sure the scalping part demands a laptop because it's so fast. Okay, you have to know this. You go into MetaTrader 5. Now we go here into manage accounts. As you know, we have the account number, the password, and everything. And then you can go manage account, add a trading account. You put the company name Tickmill Ltd or Tickmill Euro, or depend on your server, the account number, the password, and the server down. And you can put add account. Once you want to check, you go onto trade. You can see the account with the balance and everything. Now, how we can put the pairs and everything. Here, if you can see, like it's missing US30. You put the plus on the right and you put US30 here. Just click on it. Also for gold, say USD. Now, if you can check the codes back, you see it's here. Now, let's put chart. You can see the chart of the gold. This is 1 hour time frame, the example we spoke about on the laptop. You can see here it's 43, it was the entry of our trade, morning trade. 48 was the stop loss. Now how we can take a trade on the phone? Okay, to make sure your first trade will take it, a notification will pop up about putting one-click trading. So once you take your first trade, this is not the first trade under the account. Now we took a sell as we took it on the laptop, 0.1. We go into trade, you can see it's an open position. You can modify the stop loss by two ways. Either you put stop loss and you put the number 48 here, as mentioned in the study. As for the take profit was 38. No, okay. We can do it this way. Or the other way, we can go into trade and hold it, then modify position. Here it's 48 and here it's 38. Modify. Either way, so you can check the study. Once you activate a trade, you take sell or a buy, you take your stop loss and you take profit and put them directly on the study with modification. Here I'm speaking to TP1. As we mentioned, you can go for TP2. As a start, you can go just for TP1. Now how we can go and close half position on the phone. Also hold on the trade and close position. If you can see here, the lot is 0.1. Now, as we mentioned, half of 0.1 is 0.05. We put 0.05 up and I'll close it here with loss because we don't have that much time in room. Now, how we can see, if you can see it here, it was 0.1. Great. Now we go into history. If you can see it said 0.05/0.1, we closed half of this position. Okay. So we're good on MetaTrader 5 here on the laptop. You can serve the time frame like this. Click on the chart and this circle will give you the time frame and everything. Now we'll speak about how we can put an alert on the phone. Also, we go into Trading View. Here is Trading View downloaded from your store also as the same as MetaTrader. Let's say this is the study we want to put an alert on, like if we say what the entry was 43, we'll put it around 44.5, around 15 pips of the entry. Here, alerts, add an alert. Okay, 40.
45, 44.5, sorry. Create. As you can see, the alert is taken automatically. You can click on it and adjust it also. So this is how you can put your trade also on your phone, so on your alert on the phone, and so therefore you can't
Exactly,
miss the
Edgar.
trade.
Just can you get a little bit back to MetaTrader, sorry, TradingView?
Yes, sure.
As well, there's another way, which is it's a great way. Edgar have told it, but if you click on it on the screen,
Here, yes,
yeah, just click on the screen. There's a plus. If you can see it here, can you get it back a little bit? Yeah, the plus on like the left. Okay, just click on it, and it will directly get to add alert. So it's on the number, and of course you can move it. So it's a fast way. So hope this session have benefit you from all those. I am sure that it will. The most important part, trade wisely. It's not like something like you will be here, you will be just putting a high lot, and you will be making a lot of money. You can be out of the market as well. So trade wisely, be here, and make your future better. So have a nice day, everyone, and see you in the next training.